NHS has been under immense pressure with some of the busiest ever days in hospitals. Now the BBC has obtained internal NHS figures revealing the scale of the pressure and problems in England last week, including numbers of patients lying on trolleys for hours at a time because beds weren't available. The figures cover the 7-day period ending yesterday morning and come from 131 hospital trusts in England. They show that 485 people waited longer than 12 hours on trolleys over that week, whereas only 158 patients faced those long waits in the whole of January last year. Last week, only one hospital trust hit the target of assessing 95% of A&E patients within 4 hours, and more than half of trusts failed to see even 80%. The Health Secretary Jeremy Hunt hinted yesterday the 4-hour target might be changed to cover urgent cases only. Earlier, Mr Hunt said some A&Es had very serious problems, but according to service leaders, most had coped better than last year. There were warnings, though, from one expert. There were no easy solutions.
Mr Hunt, over the last 30 years, we reduced the number of beds to about half, and we increased the number of admissions to about double. And so it's a sort of reaching a crisis situation.
The trolley wait data in Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland are not directly comparable to England. An NHS source said the figures obtained by the BBC didn't cover all hospitals, but there was unprecedented patient demand. Pressure on social care services and a shortage of mental health crisis care are among factors stretching A&E services harder than ever before. Hugh Bim, BBC News.
Jeremy Corbyn has been accused by some of his own MPs of creating confusion after declaring that Labour was not wedded to freedom of movement for EU citizens, and then adding that he wasn't ruling it out either.